Hi, we're going to talk about finding function notation from a graph. So we have a graph right here. It does tell us the equation, but we don't need the equation in order to do this. So right now we are asked to determine f of -2. We know that whatever is in the parentheses is our x. So we know that x equals -2. So what I'm going to do is go to the x-axis on the graph, and I'm going to go to -2, 1, 2. I'm going to go up until I hit the line. When I hit that line right there, that point is what I want, right? And that point's ordered pair is -2, 1. So the answer to f of -2 equals 1, because we know that this is our x, or our input, and this is our y, or our output. It's also called f of x. Okay, we're going to do it several more times. Okay, we're going to do all the x values first. So f of 1, that means x equals 1. So I'm going to go to 1. I'm going to go up until I hit the line. Okay, you can't just pick anywhere. You have to hit your graph. All right. So this point is 1, 7. So the answer is 7. Okay, f of 0, that means x is 0. We're going to go to 0 on the x-axis. Here's the x-axis. Here is 0. I'm going to go up. I'm going to hit the line. This is 0, 5. So my answer is 5. I have the x value. I'm just trying to find the y value. And the y value is your answer. End of story. Okay, f of -1. X equals -1. Here's -1. I go up. This point is -1, 3. So my answer is 3. Now, if I have to determine x, if I know f of x, this is like y equals, right? So I would then have to go to the y part of the graph. Let me change colors here. So here's the y part of the graph, the y-axis, and I'd go to 7, and I'd go over, and I see that x equals 1 when f of x is 7. Same thing here. When y, or f of x, is 3, go over, my x equals -1. Now I have a couple more examples to show you so that you have a better idea on what you're doing. 2 more right here. So I want to know what f of -4 is. So anything in the parentheses, remember, is what your x value is. So -1, -2, -3. Oh, that's weird. How are they doing that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we just can't see the -3, -4. So we're going to come down here. So we know that this is -4, and then we're going to count 1, 2, 3. -3. So this answer is -3. F of 1, here's 1 on the x-axis, and we're going to come up here, and that is 7. Now, let's say that I had something that looks like this, f of -4 minus f of 1. Well, I would find f of -4, which means -3, and then I would subtract f of 1, which is 7, and I get -10. Just FYI for later. That's it. Super quick and easy. Y'all have a great day.